That's right. ChatGPT can give you that additional cash flow you're looking for. But to do that, you must first use this mystery website to rake in your potential earnings and turn them into actual currency. Join us here on Pivot Online as we reveal yet another money-making method in 2023. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be updated with our Pivot Online earning strategies. Identifying trends. Before we reveal the website, let's kick things off with the key to this adventure, trends.google.com. Google Trends proves to be invaluable in this money-making method. This tool serves as a compass, guiding us toward trending subjects or keywords commanding significant search volumes. The essence lies in identifying topics currently capturing the internet's attention, thus resonating with a broad audience. Google Trends provides a panoramic view of what is hot and sought after, empowering creators to select a trending topic as their content's nucleus. Through a thorough exploration of this platform, one can discern patterns of interest, seasonal trends, or societal buzz, allowing creators to tailor their content around these focal points. The choice of a trending topic acts as a catalyst, positioning content favorably to attract a wider audience base. By capitalizing on the pulse of online curiosity, creators can enhance engagement and resonance with their audience. Utilizing Google Trends becomes not just a strategy, but an art of aligning content with the evolving digital landscape. Now that you've identified your target, it's time to chase that mark and earn the money you've been working towards. Website reveal. Revealing the mysterious website, it's sites.google.com. This site empowers you to craft your own website for free using your Google account. Upon arrival, simply opt for a blank template to commence your content creation journey. Think of it as a fresh start, a place where you can decide what goes where. This user-friendly platform ensures even non-tech savvy individuals can create their own websites hassle-free. Choosing a blank template signifies the beginning of your content creation escapade. It provides a foundation for your ideas, a space to share stories, convey thoughts, or exhibit whatever you wish to showcase to the world. You heard that right. This money-making method has content creation in its core. Now, if content creation is not your strongest suit, well, there's no need to worry because this is where ChatGPT comes in to assist us in making that money shot. The AI element. As you all know, ChatGPT can only make conversations, but let's break that limitation with this extension we're about to show you. Creating content using ChatGPT involves a series of steps facilitated by the web chat GPT Chrome extension. This extension serves as a gateway to real-time web access and one-click prompts, streamlining the content creation process. Firstly, install the web chat GPT Chrome extension. Once installed, it seamlessly integrates into your browser, granting you swift access to AI-generated content and various prompts while browsing. After installation, delve into the extension to explore its features. Engage the one-click prompts to begin generating content. This prompts feature allows you to select a relevant writing prompt tailored to your chosen trending topic. Choose wisely, ensuring the prompt aligns with your content's theme and purpose. As the AI generates the content, exercise your editorial prowess. Edit the output as needed, fine-tuning the material to match your preferred format and desired length. Trim excess information, refine sentences for clarity, and ensure coherence in the narrative flow. Your goal is to present a cohesive and compelling article that captures the essence of the trending topic. This editing phase is critical. It allows for personalization, ensuring the content reflects your unique voice and perspective. Shape the AI-generated output into a polished piece that aligns with your vision. Pay attention to details, inject creativity where necessary, and refine the content until it meets your standards. The money-making mechanism. To monetize your content, consider signing up with CPA Lead, an affiliate network offering diverse opportunities for earnings. CPA Lead provides a range of offers that compensate for particular actions, such as completing surveys or signing up via email. By joining CPA Lead's network, you gain access to these offers, allowing you to select options that resonate with your content and audience. The payouts are based on the specific actions taken by users engaging with your affiliated offers. This approach enables you to earn through commissions or rewards when individuals perform the designated actions tied to the affiliate offers you promote. When navigating available offers within CPA Lead, prioritize selections that offer fair payouts for user actions without necessitating purchases. Identify opportunities that align with your audience's interests, aiming for offers that require actions like survey completions or email signups. Once you've identified the ideal offers, secure unique affiliate links for each selected offer within the CPA Lead platform. These unique affiliate links serve as the bridge between your content and the designated offers. When integrated strategically into your content, these links track user engagement and actions, allowing you to earn commissions or rewards when users complete the specified actions associated with the offers you promote. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. The Exodia. Now here's where everything comes together. Utilize the trend-based content crafted through ChatGPT to fashion a compelling blog post on your Google Sites webpage. Leverage the user-friendly interface of Google Sites to seamlessly incorporate the generated content into your webpage, ensuring it aligns cohesively with your site's design and purpose. Strategic integration of affiliate links from CPA Lead within the content is crucial. Embed these links thoughtfully within the narrative, aligning them contextually with the article's subject matter. Ensure visibility without overwhelming readers or disrupting the flow of the content. Consider placing affiliate links naturally within the text, perhaps within relevant phrases or alongside engaging calls to action. The goal is to make these affiliate links discernible to readers without coming across as intrusive or overtly promotional. By harmonizing the integration of affiliate links with the overall content, you enhance the reader's experience while subtly presenting opportunities for them to engage with the affiliated offers. This balance promotes reader engagement while potentially leading to actions that generate earnings through the affiliate program. Free traffic Facebook groups. Leveraging Facebook groups serves as a powerful avenue to drive traffic organically. Seek and join active Facebook groups pertinent to your content's theme or subject matter. Ensure these groups boast engagement and relevance to your article's topic. Engage these groups by sharing compelling content or tantalizing teasers that captivate members' interest. Craft engaging posts that offer value, intrigue, or insights related to your article. Strategically include the link to your article within these posts or teasers. Encourage meaningful interactions, discussions, and curiosity about your content, potentially driving interested members to click through and explore your article, enhancing visibility and engagement. Free traffic. YouTube. Engaging on YouTube through thoughtful comments on popular videos relevant to your content's topic can be an effective way to drive traffic. Identify and watch popular YouTube videos that align with your content's subject matter. Craft meaningful and relevant comments that add value to the discussion or video content. Share insights, ask relevant questions, or offer additional information related to the video's topic. Avoid spammy or promotional language, focusing instead on contributing to the ongoing conversation. Incorporate your article link within the comment where appropriate. Be subtle and considerate. Rather than directly promoting your content, provide a relevant snippet or suggestion that leads viewers to explore more on the topic, which can be found in your article. This subtle approach may prompt some viewers to visit your article for further information, thereby increasing traffic to your content. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.